Hi everyone, my name is Christy and today I'm doing my January IPSY Glam Bag Unbagging. So I just got this in the mail today, so I'm so excited to see what I got. Oh, so I have my glam bag and this extra product not in the bag. And it could have fit in the bag, so I wonder why it didn't come in the bag. This is the, that's going to be hard to pronounce, Elamsqua coloring pencil lip crayon in the shade Lust. You know what, I'm not even going to open this right now. Actually, no, I have to, just to see what color it is. This is a brand I've never heard of. Ooh, it's pretty, it's big. Okay, so it's a sharpening type of pencil and it looks like a red shade. I'm not gonna swatch it yet because I'm gonna try this out in a future video. Okay, so now here is my bag. This is cute, really cute like usual. I feel like IPSY always gives such cute makeup bags. And this kind of reminds me of like a spring pattern, but it does not feel like spring where I live. I live in Massachusetts and it's so cold. It's just starting to be snowy and wintry, so I only wish that it was springtime like this is making me feel like. Okay, so they included this little card that says New Year, more products. So there's gonna be some changes in the new year. It says, Fab new features. Pick your passion. Now you can add up to 3 extra samples to your glam bag each month with add-ons. And score new Fab full-size steals with Glam Bag Plus. That's cool. That kind of sounds like FabFitFun, how you can do add-ons with that. New ways to personalize picks. We're rolling out a new beauty quiz to learn more about which products you want each month. Keep an eye out for an invite to tell us your faves. That's cool, so you can customize or you can personalize even more. More beauty brands you love. It says that they're going to have Huda, Benefit, It Cosmetics, Sunday Riley, and Glam Glow coming. And then insider tips and techniques. So they'll be having videos, tutorials to go along with every product. That'll be helpful. So if you've seen my December and November IPSY Glam Bag Unbaggings, you would know that I started getting IPSY because I won a giveaway, and from that giveaway I won 3 months subscription, and so this is my 3rd month, so it's my last free month, and I'm going to continue this subscription. I feel like for $10 it's worth it. It's been so fun and exciting, and I've learned about a lot of new products that I had never even heard of before, so it's just not something I want to stop doing. So that giveaway got themselves a new customer, so it all worked out. And actually, if you saw my first ever unbagging, I talked about how it was really difficult to get my first bag because there had been a lot of back and forths trying to get me set up, and I felt like I was never actually going to get the glam bags. But now that I've been getting them, I've been really happy, and I feel like IPSY has been very helpful, so it all worked out in the end. I know a lot of people said that they loved IPSY, and now I can understand why. But so anyways, let's see what else I got. First, I see, this looks like, maybe this is an eyeshadow. This is from the brand Ella Eden London, and it says Pressed Willow. But it looks really pretty. I've never heard of this brand, not even totally sure what this product is, but very excited to try this out. All right, let's see. Next, what have we got here? Oh, this is a nail polish. This is from the brand Color Club, the future of color. It's a nail lacquer. Is my shade called Williamsburg, maybe? Let's see what color this is. Whoa, this is so pretty. It's like a midnight blue shade, but it has a lot of sparkle to it. I don't have any nail polishes quite like this. And I actually like never really wear nail polish, but I always have my toes painted. But I'm definitely going to try this out. This looks really pretty. And then I have, what have we got here? IPSY London, that's where I draw the line. This is a waterproof lash enhancing carbon black. Lash enhancing. Is this a mascara? No, this is an eyeliner. Okay. Yes, so I've actually already tried this eyeliner out on my channel, so I will link my video down below if you want to see that, of my review of this IPSY London liquid eyeliner, because it is so good. I was so pleasantly surprised by this, and it's definitely one of the best liquid eyeliners I've ever used. So this is awesome to have another one. And then I think there's one more product in here. Yes, oh. So this is the Gold Faden MD Problem Unbalanced Aging Skin Balancing Mask. It says Dr. Goldfaden Supercharged Skin Perfecting Mask works to revitalize and balance, leaving skin feeling soft, looking smooth, and appearing healthy. Nice. I've never heard of this, but I was actually planning to do a mask tonight, so I'm probably going to try this out very soon. I love doing a mask at least weekly as part of my skincare routine, so very excited to try this out. Let's smell it. Actually, can't smell anything from through this. Let's see. Okay. I'm getting a slight scent. It's not super overpowering at all, but it smells nice. It smells clean and fresh. All right, so there we have it. I got the mask, nail polish, IPSY London liquid eyeliner, the lip crayon, and the Ella Eden London eyeshadow. So besides the eyeliner, never heard of any of these brands or these products. So I'm definitely discovering new stuff again this month, so I'm very excited. So be sure to look forward to my future videos where I will be trying out these makeup products. And also subscribe to my channel because I upload a new video every day at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time of me trying out a new makeup product every day. And let me know if you've tried any of these products, what you think of them, and if you got a January IPSY bag, let me know what you got in your bag. So thank you so much for watching my video today, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.